Alright, this is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It is already flipped inside out, and this is going to be, I think, the easiest one I've ever done. So we're going to take this, up like that, and we're just going to spin it. Twist it up. It's another one of those no-tie tie-dyes that I've done in the past. Not sure I've liked any of the results, but we'll see about this time. Actually, to keep that in place, I'm going to go ahead and do sinew so I can wrap it. So we'll just start this with a few wraps, and then just work it down like this. Arms didn't twist very well. We'll just roll those onto themselves. That's it. Off to dye. Okay, I've placed the fabric in some aluminum foil just to keep it a little tighter, so I can use less ice and the dye will stay more consistent. And that's inside a piece of gutter, all inside a tray, bucket, bin, whatever you want to call it. And it's about a 45-degree angle. For the dyes, I'm going to be using Oxblood Red and I believe Timberwolf. So I'll just apply some at the top, or I'm going to apply ice first, apply some dye, and we'll just let it run down. And then when that finishes, I'll flip the whole thing over and dye from the bottom side. Alright, let's go ahead and do the dye. Alright, just let that go ahead and work its way down. Once it melts completely, then we'll go ahead and flip it. Alright, this slipped down at some point while it was melting, and apparently my oldest son saw it and he just went, huh! So yeah, it's down there. I'm going to go ahead and flip it upside down, put it back up at the top, and we'll lay down the next color. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, let's go ahead and do the washout on this.
Alright, let's take a look.
Can't really see much right now. I mean, I see some. We'll see what it looks like. Let's go throw this in the wash and take a final look. I'm going to be completely honest here. I did this simply to be able to put out a video this week without having to do any actual work. And this is easily one of the coolest things that I've done this year. I mean, look at this. This is wicked cool. I normally don't like things that aren't symmetrical. I don't know what to say. This is awesome. I would not have expected it to come out looking this good. You may not like the colors, but the actual, it looks like watercolor brush strokes or something on the design. I like it. It's that dark and brooding, stormy kind of thing. It looks good. I honestly don't know what to say. Just as a, hey, I can throw something out there, it'll be done. I don't feel like doing anything because of the other issues going on in life. And then this comes out and it's like, oh, this is so cool. So I don't know what to do now, because they come out really cool and they're insanely quick. Alright, so, what do you think? Let me know down below. And until next time, thanks for watching.